Roles in ChatGPT requests, features and examples. Introduction. ChatGPT provides a unique opportunity to interact with artificial intelligence through text chats. However, to achieve the best results and more accurate responses, it is important to use roles in requests. Roles help to determine the context and expectations of the user, making the dialogue more productive and interesting. Why roles are needed? Roles in ChatGPT requests are undoubtedly an integral part of interacting with the model. They serve the following purposes. Clarifying context. Roles allow for a more precise determination of what knowledge, advice, or recommendations are expected from the model. Personalizing responses. With roles, responses can be made more personalized, taking into account the user's professional status or interests. Improving dialogue quality. Roles contribute to creating more structured and relevant responses, making the dialogue more productive. Role examples: mandatory, desirable, and optional. Mandatory roles. Mandatory roles are those that are critically important for understanding the request and providing the correct answer. For example, at instruction, for obtaining specific instructions or guidance. At consultation, for requesting professional advice. Desirable roles. Desirable roles are not mandatory, but they clarify the context and improve the quality of the response. For example, at creative, for obtaining creative ideas or suggestions. At specification, for refining the answer to a question. Optional roles. Optional roles are used to create interesting and deep dialogues, but they are not necessary for understanding the request. For example, at entertainment, for receiving jokes or entertaining responses. At reflection, for requesting the model's opinion or reflections. What is a role and how does it work? Defining a role. A role is an indication of a specific function or position that the user takes to help the system understand what knowledge or recommendations are expected. How it works. The role is included at the beginning or middle of the request, for example, as a data analyst, tell me. The system analyzes the role and forms a response that corresponds to the context and expectations of the role. Areas of activity and examples of requests with roles. Roles can be useful in various fields of activity. 1. Medicine and healthcare. Doctor, what symptoms in a patient may indicate the flu? 2. Information technology. Developer, what are the best practices for creating websites? 3. Business and management. Entrepreneur, what strategies can help increase profitability in my business? 4. Science and research. Scientist, what are the latest discoveries in space research? 5. Social work. Psychologist, how to help someone cope with depression. 6. Education. Teacher, what methods are effective in teaching children mathematics? Conclusion. Roles in requests for ChatGPT are a powerful tool that helps to clarify the context and expectations of the user, making the dialogue more productive and interesting. Using roles can significantly improve the experience of interacting with artificial intelligence, enriching dialogues, and providing more accurate and personalized responses.